What is going on, everybody? So today is gonna be a little bit of a different video, as I feel like a lot of them have been recently. I'm in my uniform right now. I'm currently at Fort Gordon, and one of the things that has happened since I've been here at Fort Gordon is at home, which I'm about to go to right now, my silver play button has been shipped to my home. And I've known this for like a little bit of time now, a couple weeks, and it's just like one of those things. It's like one of those silver play buttons that you want as a YouTuber. You're like, as soon as you get it, you want to open it. It's Christmas, it gets delivered, and then now for me, I haven't been able to get it for a couple of weeks. So I'm super pumped. Gonna do like what every other YouTuber in the world does, which is unbox their silver play button. So that is the main focus for this video. But first things first is I need to change out of this. All right, so now that I have showered and changed and everything and looking all red from the shower, it's time to go. And the only thing left I know to do right now, which is a boring little road time lapse. Now, one more thing before I go. It's been a long day. I'm super looking forward to not only going home to see my girlfriend and get this play button, but I'm just looking forward to getting done with the day, because I've been up since 2 in the morning, y'all. 2 in the morning doing land navigation. We did night today, land navigation today. It was actually pretty fun. The course at Fort Gordon is not too bad at all, but yeah, I'm just super pumped to get on the road and get home. It's been about a month or so since I've been home, so I'm excited for that. Just a little pro tip, maybe it's just me, but if the gas station pumps are all full with tons of people waiting in the line, and you're just going inside after you fill up your gas to just go and get a drink or something like that, please pull forward into an actual parking spot and not take up the pumps. That would be much appreciated. Again, maybe it's just me, but this annoys me because the person in front of me right now just did it. I got it. I gotta blur out my address, but I got it. Okay, so I have got the play button, and I'm definitely going to be doing a little unboxing thing right now, but I'm in a hurry. I've got to go pick up my girlfriend, and then we're gonna be back here and gonna finish this off. And as much as I want to open this right now, you know, it's such a big moment, legitimately, and that's really not sarcastic at all, for me, that I think it would be cool for her to be here to witness this. It's not been opened at all yet, so yeah, I'm super pumped about it, but I've been waiting for like a week or so to get it. Right now, I don't think it'll hurt to wait another hour or two. For you guys, it's just gonna be a couple of seconds, but while you're waiting, if you want to check out this shirt, I actually opened up my little merch store. I haven't really done that many videos to tell you guys about it since I've done it whenever I left like 3 weeks ago, but this is like one of my favorites. It's like a gold army paint tee with a Matt Ward flag and everything, so that's my own little plug for this video. But yeah, 2 seconds and I'll be back. Okay, so that took a little bit longer than I was expecting. It wasn't actually just a couple of hours. It is now the next day, so I had to wait an entire extra day to open this. But regardless, I'm still super excited. So let's just jump into it. I hope I don't cut anything. It's pretty simple. Oh my gosh, I'm really pumped up about this. By the way, I have Kelly sitting off screen right now, so if I look off camera, I'm looking at her. She's cheesing hard right now. Oh gosh, this is the moment. This is it, guys. All right, I'm gonna like open it, so you're gonna get to see, I think, before me. Okay, so it's just this. I didn't know what was in here. Oh man, you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Oh gosh, you got this in here. You have a congratulations for on your subscriber milestone little card thing. Then you got this letter from the CEO of YouTube, and then Oh shoot, that looks so nice. I'm pumped. I'm so pumped. This is so cool. I cannot believe it. I'm so happy they didn't misspell anything. If they would have misspelled something, it would have been a bad day. Oh my gosh. So I know a lot of people normally just read this. All it really says is congratulations on your 100,000, astonishing 100,000 people subscribing to your channel. Which when you think about it, it's not even really astonishing. It's just like mind-blowingly ridiculous that 100,000 people did that. I mean, really, babe, it's ridiculous. 100,000 freaking people. It's like 107,000, 108,000 now, which is just on our way to 200K. Some people think a million. I honestly don't think I'll ever hit a million because like since my channel is like all military, it's just not gonna happen. It'd be like everybody in the army subscribed to me, which is like, that would be impossible. Oh man, I want to like hold this with like sterile, non-fingerprint gloves. I mean, this is like high quality right here. Except for something sticky right here. What is this? There was an imperfection, YouTube. Can I have another one? There was a little piece of paper, I guess, that got stuck in there. Man, look at it. Let me see if I can get Kelly in the background. Where's she at? There she is. There she is. I totally got her. I totally got you with the reflection of it. Man, that's so cool. Like, but for real, like, look. Let me see if it can focus. I hope that's not reversed. Maybe it is reversed, but jeez. Babe, come here, look at it. You can say no. They all know you're behind the camera. Come here, look at it. No. I've already got dust on the mirror. It was like perfect, and then now, I don't know if it's from me, but now it's not perfect anymore. I don't know what this is made out of. The old silver play button, it actually used to just be like a box, like a, what do you call this? Like a shadow box. It used to be like a shadow box with like a actual button size thing that looked like this, but now it's just like this whole silver plaque with like a mirror, which is interesting. I think this is like a more modern look. There she is. There she is. Oh, this is just so cool. I don't even know what to say. Besides, I've been waiting for this for like forever. Not really though, they shipped it really quickly. Yeah, I don't think, if I put this in the back of my videos, there would be a reflection. I'd have to like angle it weird. I've like looked at so many pictures of these. I've looked at so many unboxings of these with other people's name on it, and it says network right there. Okay, so that is basically it for this video. All I was doing was unboxing it. I'm gonna introduce Kelly to the vlog at some point in time, but there she is. That's really it. I'm just doing a little unboxing thing. I wanted to do kind of like a little day vlog, super short, just so that it's not just me unboxing it in general. But overall, like, it's so weird. It's so cool having that now. It's just like my favorite trophy. Previously, my favorite trophy was this one right here. This big soldier one that I got for winning the best warrior. Now it is that silver play button, which is essentially a trophy. It's like it's creator award, but it's basically a trophy. It's the coolest thing ever. So anyways, that's it for this video. 1 million subscribers coming soon. Not really. It's not really gonna be that soon at all. I don't think it's gonna happen. Do you think it's gonna happen? Yeah. Do you really?
Yeah, I think it'll happen.
I really don't think it's gonna happen. But that's it. I hope you guys have an amazing freaking day, and I will see y'all later.
I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you.